I'm holding a CMMG 22 alarm magazine that holds 10 rounds. And I'm about to turn it into a magazine that holds 25 rounds. So, pop yourself some corn, get yourself a Pepsi, and relax, because I'm going to do all the work. All you have to do is watch. So, take it easy and enjoy the video! We'll have to remove this pin. I suspect that's the problem, so we're going to have to remove it. I'm going to load it up with 10 rounds first. See if I can jam an 11th round down in it. These are Remington golden bullets. They're not really made of gold, they're brass plated. So they kind of look golden. Alright, an 11th round will not fit down in there. So that pin is exactly where it needs to be. So let's remove the thing. To disassemble the magazine, we have 6 screws to remove. They're hex screws, so we're going to use a little Allen wrench. And this is going to be tedious work, but I do have a faster way. And I'll let you in on how to do it. Just as soon as I remove this screw. So, yeah, just put your Allen wrench right into the drill. And that's going to make this process go a whole lot quicker. Okay. Work smart, play hard. Okay, we're going to forget about the drill for right now. Alright. Back to work. And we're done! Oh, jeez. Look at that. Once you get the screws out, the thing wants to disassemble itself. It does not like being a 10-round magazine. There's the pin. See? That's the problem. We'll remove that problem. Jeez, it's really in there. See if I can poke it through with the Allen wrench. This ought to do it. There it goes. Alright, good. Oh, we got a nice little hole in the magazine now. I might have to smooth that out. I don't know if that's going to hang up the follower. I guess I'll just put it back together and find out. Okay, time to reassemble the... Actually, there is one thing I forgot to do. I'm going to have to take this back out because it's kind of important. It is the most critical part. Alright, now that that's over with, I can put the spring back in the bottom half of the magazine, then sandwich it with the top half. And now I'm ready to put them screws back in. And just like that, I'm done. And before I push that spring in, I'm going to slide in the retention plate so that I can catch that little thingy at the end. The detent. Just like that. I can't put my finger in there enough to really push it in, so I'm going to use this Allen wrench. And there we have it. Now we have a 25 round magazine. Or is it 26 like my other CMMG magazine? I said it was 25 rounds, but I was able to fit a 26 round in. Let me just load it on up and find out. Alright, 25 in the mag. How about 26? So check out all the brass dust on my glove. This ammunition is dirty. Alright, 26 went in. How about 27? Doubt it. Let's give it a try. No, not gonna happen. So I went and done it. I turned a 10-round magazine into a 26-round magazine. So let's expel them.